Which one doesn't belong? Examine each function and determine which one is not like the others. Be prepared to give a mathematical reason for your choice. Okay, so A and C are tables. B is the only graph. And it looks like our y-intercept is negative. That one's also negative. So we can probably just say that's the only graph. If we did talk about the y-intercept, it would be here at 0, -4. Y-intercept at 0, -4. D is the only equation. And this one has a y-intercept at 0, 0. So if I plug in a 0 here for x, 2 times 0 is 0. Actually, I like this better. So that's the only one that has the y-intercept at the origin. This table is the only one that has a positive y-intercept. I could say positive y-intercept. That's at 0, 1. And if I look at the slopes, this one has a slope of 2. That one has a slope of 2. This one has a slope of 2. This one has a slope of -2. So I can put this one slope -2, y-intercept of 0,